Title: The Power of Good Habits, Transforming Lives, One Step at a Time. Introduction. In the journey of life, every individual seeks growth, happiness, and success. While talents and opportunities play a role, it is our habits that serve as the foundation of long-term achievements. Good habits are the building blocks of a fulfilling life, and cultivating them can lead to profound transformations. But what exactly are good habits, and how do they influence our lives? This script explores the science, psychology, and practical steps behind adopting good habits and their transformative power. Section 1. Understanding habits. What are habits? Habits are routines or practices performed regularly, often subconsciously. They are automatic behaviors shaped by repeated actions over time. Example: brushing your teeth in the morning or checking your phone as soon as you wake up. The science behind habits are deeply rooted in the brain's structure. The basal ganglia, a part of the brain, is responsible for habit formation. Cue, routine, reward loop. Charles Duhigg, in his book The Power of Habit, explains that habits are formed through a cycle of a cue, trigger, routine, action, and reward, outcome. Neuroplasticity. The brain's ability to rewire itself means we can replace bad habits with good ones. Types of habits. Positive habits: exercising, reading, meditating, maintaining a healthy diet. Negative habits: smoking, procrastination, excessive screen time. Section 2. The impact of good habits on life. On physical health. Good habits like regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep improve physical health. Regular exercise reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Proper sleep enhances energy levels and mental clarity too. Mental well-being habits like meditation, journaling, and gratitude practice can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. Example: practicing mindfulness daily improves focus and emotional resilience, personal growth and productivity. Reading and continuous learning broaden knowledge and skills. Time management habits, like prioritizing tasks, boost productivity. Financial stability, budgeting, and saving regularly build financial security. Avoiding impulsive spending leads to long-term wealth. Improved relationships. Habits like active listening and showing appreciation strengthen personal and professional relationships. Section 3. How to cultivate good habits. Start small. Focus on one habit at a time. Example: instead of aiming for a 2-hour workout, start with a 10-minute daily routine to set clear goals. Use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Example: I will read for 20 minutes every day before bed. Leverage the power of cue and reward. Identify triggers and associate rewards with your new habits. Example: after completing a workout, treat yourself to a healthy smoothie. 4-track. Progress. Use habit trackers or journals to monitor consistency. Seeing progress motivates continued effort. Be patient and persistent. Research shows it takes 21 months, 6 days to form a habit. Overcome setbacks with a positive mindset. Section 4. Stories of transformation through good habits. Historical examples. Benjamin Franklin. Known for his 13 virtues, he tracked his daily progress in cultivating habits like humility and industry. Mahatma Gandhi practiced habits of discipline, simplicity, and nonviolence, inspiring millions. Modern-day success stories. Entrepreneurs like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos attribute their achievements to habits like reading, prioritizing tasks, and maintaining a growth mindset. Athletes like Serena Williams follow strict routines to achieve peak performance. Through ordinary individuals, extraordinary results. Case studies of people overcoming obesity, debt, or addiction through consistent habits. Section 5. The ripple effect of good habits. Influence on society. Individuals with good habits inspire others, creating a culture of positivity and growth. Example: a parent's healthy habits often influence their children, compounding effect. Small daily improvements lead to significant changes over time. James Clear in Atomic Habits emphasizes the power of being 1% better every day. Legacy and long-term impact. Good habits not only shape your life but also leave a lasting impact on future generations. Section 6. Overcoming challenges in habit formation. Breaking bad habits. Identify triggers and replace negative routines with positive actions. Example, replace snacking with drinking water when stressed. Dealing with setbacks, view failures as learning opportunities. Use strategies like the never miss twice rule to regain momentum. Staying motivated. Celebrate small wins. Surround yourself with a supportive community.